Uh, so, yes, Mr. Samuel,
Yes, please.
I was here. I wanted to inquire about website, how a person can get a website, how websites, basically generally things about concerning websites, how I can get a website, how maybe I can start my own from scratch. If you can tell me a little bit about, yeah, generally basic things for, because I'm a person generally just curious to know about websites. Yeah, I need to know how a person can get one, what it costs, everything. Yeah, basically steps on how an ordinary person like a layman can go about getting a website. Yes.
Yes, well, thank you for choosing your information technology via compared. Yes, you know that when you talk about websites, it's a big thing, it's not a small thing.
Oh.
So you need to understand, if you are to get website, how are you going to gain? Yes, website means that you have actually employed someone. You have employed someone 24 hours working for you night. Someone doing for you marketing. It's far beyond that also. So when you talk about website development, we have two types of website. Number one, we have static website, and then we have dynamic website. Static website means that it doesn't have database, but dynamic website, it has database, which means a user can send you message and you respond to the user. It is so you can interact.
In the dynamic.
Yes, dynamic. You can interact with it. So with the dynamic, we have categories of them. Now, for you have organization. So you see you have an organization. The question will be, what do you want to do with that website? Maybe you want to receive the transaction like donation. It's also possible. We can also.
So, meaning, so a website where I can just can sell, put my products there, and where clients go and they view products, and they have the products there lined up, and it also includes a payment method where they can pay online using their bank or details. Yeah, I need such a website where you have the product type, and there is also a payment method where those clients can pay using that website.
Yes, all those things are possible. So if you want the transactive website, a website that can do transaction, you need to get what is called the API, which will help you do your transaction online. Because API will help you first the actually just like to create the path, a legit path for you to make the transaction with your client, or the client make transaction with you. Like you can get API from MTN or Airtel.
Yes.
But in the country here, we are looking at the local demand.
Yes.
If you wanted to do the international online store, you need to add Visa card, and then also you have to add it to do the PayPal. PayPal will do the Visa automatically. So if you are looking at the local demand, that's when I can recommend you. You have to get the API from the MTN or Airtel, depending on the
network provider.
Yes, network provider.
Yes.
It is very simple. Just like that. It's very simple.
Okay. So, you told me how I can get that transactional website by going to a network provider, asking them to provide me with the API.
Yes.
So now, before there, we're still on the website. Now I want to put my products on that website. How do I start? I'm looking at a clothing brand. I'm selling clothes. Yes, I have my clothes. And also I want to link my website to my, let's say, Jumia or Shopify shop. Yes, I want to link them together so that Yes, my products are viewed on my website are also the same on my, let's say, Shopify store. Yes, how can I go about setting up that?
Well, that one is very simple. You know that when we design for you a website, even you yourself, you can manage it. It is a user-friendly platform whereby even someone who has a little knowledge about this thing of website development can also manage it.
Okay.
It is user-friendly. So all you have to do, you need to know the name of your product, then the category. You have to categorize your product.
Yes.
When you categorize, then you put the tags for all the products so that your products can be easily found online. So which means you have to design also the product cover and also the gallery for your product, because when you have like the online store, like maybe for example you're selling a phone and you have shot only maybe let me say for example the front view of your phone.
Yes.
The back side is not there, the side view is not there, and also so which means that they're supposed to shoot like a gallery and then you edit so that your gallery look more appealing and you attract the client to your website. So which means that if you do that thing on this website, for example maybe onlinestore.com, you can also bring another URL, the link from a different website to your website, which means that you can also sell people product on your site. You understand? Or that one again, you can also give a link to someone to go and put on the website, or you can give them via the email. So it will make the work be very simple. So in other words, when you have a website, you don't have to talk a lot. Someone want to check your product, send them the link, check this one. Nothing like you come to my shop again. Send the link, all the measurement, if it is the measurement specification, all of them are there. Yes.
Okay. So
Yeah.
thinking back earlier, for an average person, yes, we're talking about the dynamic website. This one is where all that is possible, right? So yeah. Now let's say I want that website and I want to integrate, let's say, where people can chat. Let's go when they visit it. There is a chatbot that can help me. Let's say they might inquire, like they might have some inquiries that they might want to ask. Like if they didn't understand something well, they have that inquiry box where I can have, let's say, a chatbot helping me out, or an AI, something like that, that can respond fast to my clients, and then it gives me feedback so that I also follow up with those same clients.
We have the solution for that. First, we have what is called the chat support platform, which we are going to design for you. The moment someone landed on your website, you are going to receive a notification on your phone that someone has landed on your website.
Okay.
Then you start chatting with that person. Everything that person is doing on your website will be able to view. If this person has left the home page and gone to the about us, maybe to store, maybe to contact us, you'll be able to view. You understand? So with that one, it also helps the user to easily interact with you. You send them the person the message, the person also give the feedback. Besides, we also have what we call the webmail, whereby you can customize the automatic responder to every mail that maybe someone has sent. Someone send the mail, and then the mail send the reply direct in a second, depending on how you have customized it. Yes, that one can make your work be very simple, and you can eliminate other people who can give you the virtual support assistant. So that one is very simple.
Yeah, because when you integrate it, because you have to customize it with the most usually asked questions that your clients may have. Yes, I understand. Okay. So, yes. Now the website, let's say it's created. You told me I have to when those products are in the website, they need to look more appealing. So in our gallery, you have to take some pictures and then you upload them to our website.
Yes.
So your products, how does a person do that? Let's say yes, I've created my website. I want to put now my products on the website, but
Well, that one is very simple. The moment you have already contacted us that you want a website and we design that one for you. It's very simple. Just a matter of creating for you your separate an account which come with a dashboard. It is very simple for you to interact with the dashboard because the dashboard is user friendly.
okay.
And also our team will be able to teach you how the system will work so that you know how you can perform everything in your platform. Responding, and now you can update, how you can delete some other content. You see that?
Yes.
Upload the content, how you can manage also your media store.
Okay.
Yes, it's just very simple.
Okay. Because now, person may be there asking, hey, yes, you have created a website, but I don't know how to upload. So yeah, that will answer a lot of questions that people may have at home. Then, okay, so yeah, people may be at home wondering, okay, yes, creating a website, you have gone through it, you have said the interface is going to be user friendly. Now, person, as you know, Ugandans, usually when we ask such questions, the ultimate questions come down to price. Yeah, and then they ask Mr. Samuel, yes, I want you to create for me a website. How much will it cost me? Let's say for that dynamic website, and I want to put my products and all that stuff in it. Like, what will be like the expense? I mean, income. Yeah, for you to help me start up my website.
Okay. Well, that one is very simple. Like I told you, we have categories of website, but then all these categories they're not having the same amounts. They all come with different costs. For example, like yours, the online store, it is different from the an organization. Because with the online store, that what is called the bandwidth, which means that every time someone landed on their website, that person consuming something which is called the bandwidth. Every click the person make is consuming the bandwidth. So which means that a lot of the server specification that your system need to have, which is going to make your server be very expensive. You understand? So if you want the online store, we first hear from your side. Like if you want to do transaction, if you know that you can do certain thing, we can instruct you to do, you can do, then well and good. But for the online store, you can give us only 2 million, and that's it.
Okay.
Excluding the API. If you don't want to use the API, you can use the direct bank transfer payment.
Okay, so I had some questions. I had you talking about bandwidth, API. Some of us may not know what those terms mean. What do you mean by, let's say, a bandwidth when a client goes to your website? Can you elaborate more about, let's say, a bandwidth and all that?
You know, this thing is already in our system, like in our body system. You know, when you have started this thing right here, always, even your vocabulary, we also have to change automatically.
Yes.
So bandwidth, for example, I can say when you buy data on your phone,
yes,
and you want it to go on internet, the more time you spend online and the more work you are doing online, your data will get finished faster. You understand? So someone can go online and download the video. Don't expect that person, maybe the person has like 1 gigabyte. It's there on YouTube, download the video, it's there on TikTok. That data will not finish 1 hour, we get that. So that is your resources. Now, for the functionality of the website to be there, there what's called the bandwidth. That will help you, will help the system to operate fully online, globally. Anyone can access from anywhere. Yes. But now, by you accessing, you are consuming something with resource. Okay. Yes.
Oh. And okay, then you talked about it's the API address that will come when you're excluding it from
API is for integrating the system. For example, maybe with the payment platform like PayPal, Stripe, MTN or Airtel. when you want to integrate, that's when you need to get the API keys, right?
Okay.
It's the private key and unique. No one's, it is unique. There is no anywhere you can tell me this company API is the same as mine. It's not. It's never the same. It's a unique and a private IP address. Also, we are public, but also unique.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, so you say the client may get that website fully functioning, excluding the API, at minimum of 2M. Now, what if we include the API?
So that one will be in the pocket of the client. So if you want the API to be integrated, that one we can also write for you an invoice. If you said you want the API, yes, you will go to the office of MTN. We shall go together and we approve this thing, because there you have, when you get the API, you have to give all the credentials for the company. If the company register or not, you cannot just go there as an individual then and say you get the API. From where?
Okay.
Yes.
So you go there with all the documents of the company.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So yes, Mr. Samuel, this has been a good interview. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yes, I hope to hear from you. And yeah, I've learned something new about websites, and I hope people at home they've learned something also. And yeah, I hope he's the right person to come to about websites. He deals within companies. So any questions you might have, please leave them in the comment sections. Yeah, and thank you very much.